Okay, my dear children, today again we are going to discuss some questions of class 10 CBSE board exam related to quadratic equation. Now see, the first question is given in CBSE 2006. Here, a two-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 18. If 63 is subtracted from the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. So this is the question given in CBSE board exam 2006. So solution you see, let unit place digit equal to x, tens plus digit equal to y. Therefore the number equal to x plus 10y. So here unit place digit equal to x, tens plus digit equal to y. So the number will be x plus 10y. Now, according to question, it is given the product of the digit is 18. So according to question, we can write product of the digit equal to 18. And second condition given, if 63 is subtracted from the number, this is the number, from here we have to subtract 63. The digits interchange their places. So second condition is, if this is the number, from here 63 is subtracted, then what we get? The digit will interchange their places. That is, unit place will become tens place will become unit place. So it will be y plus 10x. So you see, first condition given, product of the digit is 18, and when 63 is subtracted from the number, जब number से 63 subtract किया, the digit will interchange their places. Digits will interchange their places means this y will come here, x will go there. That is, y will become unit place digit and x will become tens place digit. Now let us solve this one. Here we get y equal to 18 by x. Let us give this as one number. Now let us simplify this. It will be x plus 10y minus y minus 10x minus 63 equal to 0. Now let us calculate this again. On calculation we get, what we get, you see now, this, we can write this one as, it will be minus 9x plus 9y minus 63 equal to 0. Now divide by 9, it will be minus x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Now divide by minus, you get x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So now you try to put the value of y. Value of y equal to 18 by x here. So you get now, this one will be x minus 18 by x plus 7 equal to, from 1. So it will be now x, LCM then x square minus 18 plus 7x equal to 0. On cross multiplication we get x square minus 18 plus 7x equal to 0. Now let us write this one in standard form. So definitely we get this. We get this. Now let us do this one middle term factor. Here 18, we can write this one as x square. This can be written as 9 minus 2x minus 18 equal to 0. This can be written as 9 minus 2. 9 to the 18. So let us calculate this. X square equal to 0. This implies that x is common. So x plus 9 minus 2 common, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, 9 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 2 whole into x plus 9 equal to 0. Now therefore either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 9 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 2 and this implies that x equal to minus 9. So x is the digit cannot be negative, so it is not accepted. Therefore it is not accepted. Now the value of x will be 2. Now we have to put the value of x2 here in one number, then we can find out the value of y. So let us see this one. Now you see, therefore 2 implies that, therefore 1 implies that y equal to 18 by 2, value of x is 2, so it will be 9. Therefore the required number equal to, it was x plus 10y, x means 2, y means 9, so it will be 2 plus 90 equal to 92. So this is the required answer. Okay, you see next question, it is given in CBSE 2016. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice the numerator. If the sum of the fraction and its reciprocal is 2 whole number 16 by 21, then find the fraction. So you see how to do this question. First of all, we will consider numerator. Numerator is x, then denominator will be 1 more than twice the numerator. That is, it will be 2x plus 1. So you see, let numerator equal to x. Therefore denominator equal to 2x plus 1. Numerator x, so denominator is 1 more than twice the numerator. That is 2 into x plus 1. Therefore the fraction equal to x by 2x plus 1. Hence the fraction will be x by 2x plus 1. Now according to question, it is given the sum of the fraction, that is sum of this and its reciprocal, and the reciprocal of this is 2 whole number 16 by 21. So according to question, we can write, according to question, x by 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 by x, it will be 2 whole number 16 by 21. So according to we get sum of this and its reciprocal, that sum will be 2, 1 by 2, 16 by 21. Now let us take the LCM. If we take the LCM here, LCM will be 2x plus 1 whole into x. Now according to rule, this is to be divided by this, so this and this will cancel, x will remain. So x will be multiplied with this x, so it will be x square. Now again, this is to be divided by x, so x cancel, this will remain, this have to multiply with this, so it will be 2x plus 1 whole square, and this can be written as, on multiplication we get this 2 into 21, 42 plus plus 16, 42 plus 16, it will be 8, 58, 58 by 21. It will be 58 by 21. Now let us see how to calculate this. This implies that this will be 2x square plus x. 2x square plus x. This is x square and a plus b whole square. So we can write this one as a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square equal to 58 by 21. I'm breaking this. A plus b whole square, we get a square 2 into ab plus b square. So it will be now x square, this will be 4x square. On breaking, it will be plus 4x plus 1, it will be 2x square plus x, it will be 58 by 21. Now it will be 2x square plus x, it will be 5x square plus 4x plus 1. It will be 58 by 21. Now let us do the cross multiplication. It will be 58 whole into 2x plus x, 2x square plus x. It will be 21 whole into 5x square plus 4x plus 1. Now let us multiply this. It will be 2 into 58 means 116x square. It will be 58x. It will be 105x square, it will be 84x, and it will be 21. Now let us transfer this one this side. See this one, what will happen. Let us see. Transfer all this side, we get 116x square plus 58x minus 105x square minus 84x minus 21 equal to 0. This implies that on calculation we get 21 and then 1. Sorry, it will be 11x square. This and this calculated minus 84 minus 58, what we get? 14, 6, 7 to 26 x, and this 21 equal to 0. So this is the standard form of equation. Now we can solve this one by middle term factorization. We can solve this one by middle term factorization. So in middle term factorization, this and this have to multiply 11 into 21. And we can do directly this one by 11, so 21, 3 by 7, we need 26, so it will be 33 minus 7 equal to 26. So we can write this one as 11x square minus 33 minus 7 whole into x minus 21 equal to 0. So it will be 11x square 33x minus minus plus 7x minus 21 equal to 0. Now this 11x common, it will be x minus 3, 7 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 3 whole into 11x plus 7 equal to 0. Now definitely either, therefore either x minus 3 equal to 0 or 11x plus 7 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 3 and this implies that 11x equal to minus 7 implies that x equal to minus 7 by 11. Since x is the numerator cannot be negative in a fraction, so it is not accepted. It is not accepted. Therefore value of x is this, therefore hence the required fraction. Hence the required fraction equal to required fraction equal to x by 2x plus 1. This was our fraction. So value of x is 3 and 2 into 3 plus 1. It will be 3, 3 to the 6, 7. So 3 by 7 is our required fraction. Next question. This question given in CBSE 2008. Difference of two number is 4 and the difference of the reciprocal is 4 by 21. Find the numbers. Here given difference of two number 4. That means one number will be larger and other will be smaller. As their difference given 4, that means one number will be larger, other will be smaller. If we consider the smaller number as x, then larger number will be more, x plus 4. Or if we consider the larger number as x, then the smaller number will be x minus 4. We can consider any one. So let us see how to solve this. Solution. Let the smaller number equal to x. Therefore, the larger number equal to x plus 4. Smaller number equal to x. Therefore, the larger number equal to x plus 4. So, according to question, we are told difference of the reciprocal. Now, the main thing is, you see, one thing you should remember here. 3 is greater than 2. If we take the reciprocal, we get 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Since 3 is greater than 2, but in case of reciprocal, this will be greater. Got my point? So this is the smaller number, this is the larger number. So the reciprocal of this is 1 by x and the reciprocal of this is this one. X is larger, x is smaller and x plus 4 is larger. So in reciprocal it will be larger. The reciprocal of smaller number becomes larger than the reciprocal of larger number. Got my point? So according to question we get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 4 equal to 4 by 21. Equal to 4 by 21. Now let us take the LCM. LCM will be x whole into x plus 4. So similarly we get here x plus 4 minus x, it will be 4 by 21. Now x cancel. So we get this one as 4 and this will be x square plus 4x, it will be 4 by 21. It will be 4 by 21. Now do the cross multiplication. On cross multiplication we get, if we go for cross multiplication we get, this implies that 4x square plus 16x equal to 84. This implies that divide by 4, it will be x square plus 4x 21. This implies that x square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Now do the middle term factorization. If we do the middle term, see this one 21, 7 3s are 21. So 7 minus 3, it will be 7 minus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Now x square plus 7x minus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Let us take common between these two. Common is x, so it will be x plus 7. Take minus 3 common, so it will be x plus 7 equal to 0. This implies that x plus 7 whole into x minus 3 equal to 0. So either or, by either or we get, therefore either x plus 7 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus 7 and this implies that x equal to 3. So we are told to find out two number. You see, x is minus 7, x is plus 3. As we are not mentioned here positive or negative number, so we have to accept both the numbers here. So if x equal to minus 7, then x plus 4 equal to minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3. Therefore smaller number minus 7 and smaller number minus 7 and larger number minus 3. One answer will be this one. Or if we consider x as 3, or if x equal to 3, then x plus 4 equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. That means if smaller number is 3, then the larger number 7. Therefore smaller number 3 and larger number will be 7. So here both the answer is correct. Now I see 3 questions related to CBSE board. Here given, it is given 2009 and 2017. Given the sum of the square of two consecutive odd positive integer is 394. Find the integer. Odd positive integer, so you will consider one as x and other will be x plus 2. Next, this given 2016 CBSE exam. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits and 3 times the product of digits. Find the number. That is, a 2-digit number here given is 4 times the sum of the digit. Again, the 2-digit number is 3 times the product of the digits. So you have to find out the number. Next, CBSE 2000 and 2005. Here given the sum of two number is 15. Sum of two numbers is 15. And sum of two numbers is 15. And the sum of the reciprocals is 3 by 10. Find the number. So these 3 questions is given for homework. You should try at home. If you have any problem, then you can contact me. Okay, thank you.